evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Terry Kashat with Connect Loans, and tonight I'm going to provide you with a market update for spring, April 2024. Number one, interest rates. Let's act like you have a 720 credit score, a FICO credit score. You're putting 5% down, and you're paying 1 point to buy down your interest rate a little bit, and you're buying a $500,000 home. This 5% down deal is going to result with a 7.375% mortgage. Again, that is a 7.375% mortgage. That also assumes you're above the income limit for the area. Let's take example number two, which is also going to be another conventional loan. Everything the same, except now you're at a $400,000 purchase, putting 3 or 5% down. Assuming you are under the income limit for the area, you're going to be looking at a 6.99%, while still also paying 1 point to get that interest rate. And we're going to use one more example. FHA, 720 FICO credit score, 3.5% down, paying 1 point. You are looking at a 6.5% interest rate. Majority of these deals are going to be that conventional loan. So again, keep in mind, if you're above the income limit, you're at a 7.375% average. If you're below the income limit, you're at a 6.99% interest rate average. So congratulations, we are still in that 7-ish% interest rate area. Which takes me to point number two, home value. Home values have continued to increase since May of 2013, almost 11 years ago. Values have continued to increase since then for the majority of Michigan. I'm going to call it for the suburbs of Michigan. Values have continued to increase. Why are values still increasing? There are less desirable homes available on the market for me and you as buyers, meaning less supply, us as buyers, a lot of buyers, more demand. And as long as there are less desirable homes on the market with a lot of buyers in the market, home values will continue to increase. And we're going to have this challenge, ladies and gentlemen. I foresee home values being this way or higher for the next 2 years. I think interest rates are going to be this way in this area for the next 2 years because so many people are sitting on their record low interest rate in their current home, meaning there are less homes available on the market for the new families that are coming to the market that need to buy new homes. So buckle in, buckle up, and make sure you're ready for this ride of 7.5% interest rates and current or higher values for the foreseeable future. Takes me to point number three, offer strategies. It is still the market where you got to be offering above asking. It is still the market where you have to offer an appraisal guarantee. It is still the market where if you qualify for an appraisal waiver, if you have good credit, conventional loan, and putting 20% down, well, you should be getting an appraisal waiver. A company like Connect Loans, we're able to show you whether you get that or not. The market is still where you got to go above asking and make an aggressive offer. The example I like to give, if you and your family find that home desirable, well, you got to assume another 2 to 3 families or more find that same home desirable. And the person who's going to win that offer 9 out of 10 times is the person who's going above asking with an appraisal guarantee. So don't forget, you must make a competitive offer. Working with a company like Connect Loans and your realtor will figure out the right offer for you to make on that home. Takes me to point number 4. You guys heard about the NAR settlement, the National Association of Realtors. I'm not going to get into the details on this video. Just know a change is coming the beginning to mid-July. You're better off buying a home now compared to the changes that are going to result in July or later. It's going to become more expensive for you as a buyer to buy your home going forward. So if you find the home you like now, be sure to pull the trigger. Lastly, takes you to applying for your mortgage with any one of the loan officers here at Connect Loans. We will get you prepared through our approval process, get you to a certified approval or hopefully even a spark approval to get your family to touch down, get your family into their new home. We look forward to taking your application. We look forward to having your family get into their new home this spring and hopefully by the end of this summer. We'll see you soon.